In this video, we will learn how to install Ollama on Windows 11. Ollama is used to set up AI models on your local system. Go to the web browser. On Google, type Ollama and press enter. On hitting enter, the official website is visible, ollama.com. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now directly click download. After clicking download, it will show you the version based on your operating system. We are on Windows, so it will directly give us an option to click download for Windows. I'll click on it. Now Ollama will download. It's 1.8 GB. We have downloaded Ollama. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. The setup started. Click install. Now Ollama will get installed on our local system. We have installed Ollama. Let us verify. Go to start. Type CMD. Click open. Here you can first type Ollama -- version and press enter. This shows that we successfully installed Ollama. Now type Ollama, or if you want to know all the commands, type Ollama -- help. Now all the commands are visible. I'll type Ollama again and press enter. Only Ollama this time. Now the commands are visible. Okay. If you want to install a model, since our cursor is on chat with the model, which I can change it using the arrow keys, I'll just press enter on chat with the model. And here you can install the models. So these are models you can install on your system. These are all small models, that is SLM. Okay. So if you want to install Gemma 4, which is the recent one, just press enter. Do you want to download? On yes, press enter. Now Gemma 4 will download. So in this way you can install Ollama, and after that you can install an AI model on your local system using Ollama. So this is getting installed. Okay, it is 9.6 GB and supported by my system. For a free Ollama tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video. With that, we have also added a free 10-hour Gen AI masterclass. Thank you for watching.